I hit this issue today, and here is the quick fix that solved it. If you're switching to a new Android device and need to transfer your ESIM, follow these steps to make the process smooth. Step 1. Check compatibility. Ensure your new Android device supports ESIM functionality. Most recent models do, but it's always good to double check. Step 2. Back up your current ESIM. Before you start the transfer, back up your current ESIM settings. Go to your settings and look for the ESIM management section. Step 3. Remove ESIM from old device. On your old device, navigate to the ESIM settings and select the option to remove or deactivate the ESIM. This step is crucial to avoid issues during the transfer. Step 4. Add ESIM to new device. On your new Android device, go to the settings and find the option to add a mobile plan. Scan the QR code provided by your carrier or enter the activation code manually. Step 5. Confirm activation. Once the ESIM is added, check if you can make calls or use data. If you encounter any issues, restart your device and try again. Sometimes it takes a moment for the activation to fully process. Transferring your ESIM can be straightforward if you follow these steps. Good luck with your new device.